Hello, and welcome to the VibrisBots CLI setup guide. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your CLI file and giving you tips and tricks on how to cop all the exclusive items. So, to get started, head over to your main page and click the plus next to overview. Head over to whatever foot site you'll be running. If you're going to be running proxies, don't add them yet as you'll be adding them later. Put in whatever size you want. I'll be for CLI, the new update will be letting you use proxy killer and advanced. If you're going to be using advanced, make sure to come over to your settings and put your 2CAPTCHA API key in this and click save. But I won't be doing that on this demo, so I'll just be running proxy killer. Put the number of tasks that you want in here. You can mess with delays. I recommend running 3,500 and 3,000 as delays. I'm gonna add my profile in real quick. Once you have your profile, just click save. SKU. Keep forgetting about SKU. So to get your SKU, I'll just be running the SKU from today's drop for dunks. Put your SKU in. We'll normally give it to you, so I drop SKUs before drop day, so just put it in. And then to export them, click this cloud with the up arrow. And I recommend clicking the desktop organizer and naming it whatever it's going to be called and clicking save. I already have one made right here, so I'm not going to be doing that. But it should, if you do that, it'll pop up on your desktop. So once you create your desktop, you're going to want to go over to your CLI file, then click new item, make a text file called proxies, make another text file called key, and make one more text file called webhook. I spelled it. So once you put in your key, here's how you do it. Just come over here, copy and paste your key in, Control S to save the notepad, webhook, same thing, proxy, same thing. So to run CLI, proxies are needed, they're a must. Make sure you have no spaces before anything in here. And then add your webhook and save it. Once you have all that input in, click on the CLI application. Normally, it's going to ask you for your key. So if in that case, just take this key text document, click and drag it in and drop it. I'm not going to drop it because I don't need to, but just click and drag it into the CLI and drop it in and it'll be in there. After you do that, just click import settings. Yes. So these are the tasks that you created. Just click and drag it in, enter, yes, click and drag it in. Like I said before, proxies, tasks, and a webhook are needed to run CLI. So just make sure you have all that stuff before you start. Once you get all that in, click enter on start tasks. And then it should look like this. My tasks are going to come back as product unavailable because Foot Locker took them off the site after the drop, but normally they'll be in queue and you just let them sit in queue. So that was the full guide for the Vibris CLI module. I would say. If you're going to be running advanced mode tasks, uh, make sure to have your 2 captcha. That's a must. Make sure to have these 3 files. That's a must. And if you want to run both GUI and CLI, just make sure that you have CLI opened and then reset your key and then open this and then it should work so you can run both. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for all the other video guides and we'll catch you later.